Hey guys, today we're gonna talk about the best budgeting apps for beginners. If you're starting your budgeting journey, you can feel overwhelming, but the right app can simplify everything. Whether you're looking for automation, hands-on control, or a step-by-step approach. Here are some of the best budgeting apps for beginners. Number 1, we have Mint. Mint is one of the most beginner-friendly budgeting apps, offering automatic expense tracking by syncing with your bank accounts. It categorizes transactions, provides spending insights, and even sends bill reminders, so you can never miss a payment. If you're new to budgeting and want an application that does most of the work for you, Mint is a great starting point. Plus, it's completely free. Next up, we have YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget. YNAB is perfect for beginners who want to take control of their money. It uses a zero-based budgeting system, meaning every dollar has a job. Whether it's for spending, saving, or investing, YNAB helps break the paycheck to paycheck cycle and teaches you how to be proactive with your money. It requires a bit more effort than Mint, but it's one of the best long-term solutions for mastering your finances. Next up, we have EveryDollar. EveryDollar is a great choice if you want a clear, structured budget. Like YNAB, it also follows a zero-based budgeting system, but with a simpler, more visual approach. Beginners can easily allocate their income across different spending categories. The free version requires manual tracking, while the paid version syncs with your bank accounts for automated tracking. Ideal for beginners who want a straightforward, goal-oriented budget. Next up, we have Good Budget. If you're new to budgeting and prefer a hands-on approach, Good Budget is a digital envelope system where you divide your income into spending categories like groceries, rent, and savings. Unlike Mint, it doesn't sync with your bank accounts, which means you'll manually track transactions. This makes it great for beginners who want to be more intentional about their spending without full automation. And last but not least, we have Pocket Guard. If you're worried about spending too much, Pocket Guard is the best beginner-friendly app to keep you on track. It automatically tracks expenses and tells you how much money you have left to spend after covering bills, savings, and essentials. The In My Pocket features give you a real-time overview of your available funds, making budgeting feel effortless and stress-free. So, which app is the best for you? Let me give you a recap. Mint is best for automated tracking and insights, and it's free. YNAB is best for hands-on budgeting and financial discipline, but it's paid. EveryDollar is best for structured zero-based budgeting. It has free version and also a paid version. Good Budget is best for envelope budgeting and manual tracking. It also has a free and paid version. Pocket Guard is best for overspending control and real-time tracking. It also has a free and paid version. So which budgeting app are you using to start your financial journey? Let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more fintech comparisons and budgeting tips.